All right. Yeah, like right here, my bike is climbing. We're at 217. When not moving in this like heat, it gets hot. But it runs at 210. These Italians, 219. Like 210 is like normal operating temp. Yeah, definitely ain't letting me do that. Especially chase it out like you do. I did a wheelie past the cop on Friday on PCH, like a little power wheelie, and it was just like, well, all right, well, it's time to go. My buddy was like, it was a cop. I'm like, yeah, that means you go faster. Out of that Lexus. That lady just cut me off like crazy. Do you know who he is? Oh yeah, I don't either. He's in a, I don't even know what type of helmet. Oh, another one. He got white shoes on, you don't got white shoes. He's better than you. Thank you. Everybody got white shoes out here. This guy. Yeah, it won't let me keep it up like that. I wish. One day. Stop being a click that shifter. False neutral. It does it a lot. Buying an aftermarket quick shifter will help. You have cruise control? Okay, yeah, that's what I was doing right there. See, I can't do that. I don't got the balls for that one. All that. He said good wheelie. That one was low compared to the other ones. Oh, cop right here, cop right here. Oh yeah, that one was clean. That was your best one so far. You know this camera's on. Oh, alright, we got the big dog in front of us now. Let's go. Dirt bike helmet. No, you look like you got some tread. A menace to society. I don't like Hondas. I wouldn't get an RR. I would get a triple R, a Fireblade. But I think that might be my next bike, a Fireblade. Yeah, the all white one? Oh my god, the white one is so mean. Ferrari. 488 Pista. Ask him if he'll run it for pinks on white wheels. That was a clean spec. I like the blue. Ferrari always does red. Oh, we lost our little buddies. Oh, bye buddies. It's empty. Yesterday was insane how many people were here at like 3 o'clock. No, yesterday there was like no walking room. If this is real right here, this is money. California? Yeah, it is. Or it's a new version of the California, the Pininfarina or whatever. But it's the same model as the California, just change name. I'll block you in actually. So you pull forward and I'll block you in. Have you eaten? I haven't eaten. What do you want to eat? Looks like you have the same exhaust too. Oh yeah, SC is definitely the best sounding. You don't have to hear mine. I'm stuck right next to you with my ears ringing. I love that you're doing this because you're all on camera again. That ocean breeze is kicking in. So it's fun time now? I love it. That's all it takes. And now I could pin it in first gear and the wheel won't pop up. Well, it'll pop up baby wheelie. At the light, I can't, I'm gonna leave soft. Launch control, the old technology on this ain't the best launch control. You can launch it and I'll hawk you down if you want to do that.